what to do, cause I can't find a way. I love you too, don't love it back. I can't stand this feeling inside my mind. Baby, please just tell me if I'm fine, cause I don't know why you're stuck in my heart, baby. Could be my best bud.
Alright, so what's up YouTube? Today what we gonna be doing, well, what I'm gonna be showing you guys today is how I got my roll pan on my 2006 Dodge Ram. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get it installed and stuff like that, and some of the steps I did. As you can see, nice and flat. Give you guys a full view so you guys can see how it looks. Side. Yep. Pretty much what I did with this, you could do this two ways if you want. You could like, this is all metal, so if you want you could weld that on, but with me I just didn't have the time to do that, because when you weld it on you gotta grind it off, and then you gotta make sure you put like some kind of sealant at the top, because once you weld that and it start raining, water and stuff like that could go through there and cause rust and stuff. So with me, what I did was I just used a pop rivet gun. You can get one of those for like 40, I think 40, 50 dollars or less than that. So what I did was I used a pop rivet gun. I made my holes. So I made one hole right there. There's another one, and then so on. So I did like about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did like 5, 6. I did 6 up top, and then in the back, I'm gonna show you guys underneath. So what I did on the side, right there, I don't know if you guys can see, but the two side I put 2 bolts on the side, and I just got that in. So, and that was it. For like my tow hitch, what I did was I could have took that off. Honestly, I could have took it off myself, but what I did really was I had cut it off. I had cut it off with a, let me show you guys real quick. So you see right there, cut that off, then I cut this side off. So that's what I did. My reason for me doing that is because like it's too hard for me to get that back part out, so I couldn't get it off. It was just way too hard for me to get it off. Yeah, it was way too hard for me to get that off. So I was like, you know what, F it, I'm just cut it off. Save myself the time. You could do the same. That's if you don't use your truck for towing. Like mine, I really don't use this truck for towing and stuff like that, so I really didn't need that. I'm gonna give you guys a look once again. That's it. Came out good. Came out really good. If you are wondering how to ever, put on a roll pan, like I advise you, like the best easy way for you to do it, just get like a pop rivet gun. And when you order these off Amazon, or eBay, they come with like holes and stuff. Like there's holes on there drill already, so you don't gotta really drill your holes. But me, I just did mine. I think I had about 4 holes and stuff that was pretty much drilled into the back of the roll pan. So for mine, I just wanted to make sure it was nice and sturdy, so that's why I put 6. And it's really easy for you to do if you really do it that way. So